these are the main elevators here at the Marriott Hotel here in Kansas City, Missouri. And we got some Otis Series 1s.
I bet it's gonna be locked up.
Nope. See? No key card. Let's get 18. Wait 18. Still close by it works. Tall cabs. They definitely redid the cabs. It's definitely pretty nice. Luckily, it's a non-stop flight. Here in the lobby. Now we're in the video on 2.
Can we just walk across that on 2?
Yeah. There's another elevator that serves lobby 2 and lower level. This push the button go well. That's fast. And here at 2.
Crazy.
No, wait. That right? No, this is on top. No, never mind. And I guess that is gonna be it.